Hello everyone. My name is Luputu Itachayani. Here I will explain about my opinion on critique of Indonesian economic problem. Asia's big bad economy. The article discusses the economic problem facing Indonesia, which is Southeast Asian-led economy. Despite its large population and economic size, Indonesia has been struggling with slow economic growth, a widening deficit, and a declining currency. The country GDP growth has been stagnant at around 5% over the past decade, which is considered mediocre for an emerging economy. Some of the major problems facing Indonesia include number one, from the explanation that describes the various economic problems faced by Indonesia, such as slowing economic growth, a widening budget deficit, a falling rupiah exchange rate, and a lack of competitive compared to other ASEAN countries. Number two, however, I feel that the explanation focused too much on Indonesian negative and shortcoming without giving enough space to Indonesian economic potential and strength. For example, Indonesia has a large population, making it a promising market. As a growing middle class, and is a large exporter of commodity such as oil and palm oil. Number three, the explanation also lack constructive solution or recommendation to address Indonesian economic problem. It only states the Indonesian should improve the performance without providing specific steps to be taken. Number four, I feel there is a slight bias or negative tendency in the briefing, especially at the end where it advises investors to look for opportunity in other ASEAN countries rather than Indonesia. Despite its problem, Indonesia still has great potential as the large economy in ASEAN. The article also highlights the importance of the ASEAN Economic Community and how Indonesia is lagging behind its neighbor in preparing for the initiative. The IEC aims to create a single economic union for trade, labor, and investment in Southeast Asia. But Indonesia needs to make significant changes to its policy to comply with the standard. The article concludes the Indonesian massive population and strong demographics and make it a promising market. But I need to address its economic problem and learn from its neighbor. It suggests the real estate or stock investor might want to consider looking elsewhere for their frontier market export. Overall, the article presents a critical view of Indonesian economic situation and suggests that the country needs to make significant changes to improve its competitive and address its economic challenge. So, the Indonesian government is grappling with a range of pressing issues, including number one, stagnant economic growth, number two, fiscal pressure on the state budget, number three, widening budget deficit, number four, plummeting rupiah currency, number five, lack of competitive, number six, compared to neighboring, number four, countries in Southeast Asia. That's all there is to say or critique about Indonesian economic problem, Asia big economy. If there are words that are less, please understand. Happy learning. Thank you for watching and listening to the end. Happily always healthy. Thank you.